Hi guys, back again with another video. Now this time we are going to send ourselves a ringtone on WhatsApp, and then that same tone, the MP3 tone, we are going to convert and set as a ringtone for the iPhone. Now for this you'll need GarageBand, so do download GarageBand if it's not already there on your phone. I have downloaded it. Now open it up. Now before you do that, first you have to go into WhatsApp. Now select the tone. So this is the tone that I sent. Now I'll keep it pressed. Now you get reply forward delete, hit forward. You get this small box with an arrow at the bottom, hit that. Then it will give you option saying save to files. I'll click on save to files. So now it gives me option of iCloud, Drive and on my iPhone. So on my iPhone I have an option saying GarageBand. I'll select GarageBand, hit add. That's it. So I've already saved it once, but I'll replace it. Okay, it's done. That's the first process. Okay, so now let's go ahead and open up GarageBand. We open that up, you'll get a few options. So guitar, world, drummers. Now we need to choose the audio recorder option. So we select that, open that up. Now this is the 5S, so it'll be a little slow, but anyone who has a like a 6S, 7, 8, for them this will be faster. So now this icon over here, press that. Now this is where we can convert and do all the things. Now you see a small loop over here, hopefully you're able to see that. Yes, hit that. Move file. Okay, so now this is the file that I transferred. So I transferred it twice, so that's why you see two of them. So any one of them, I just choose that. No, not this is not the one. Yeah, this is the one. So I keep it pressed and oh, I dropped it. So now to go like this. Now keep it pressed, don't leave it, and then bring it on top. Once it's in the starting, leave it. That's it. So the ringtone has been put over here. Let's play it. Okay, that's the ringtone I want. Stop it. Now what I have to do is hit this, hit my songs. As soon as you hit my songs, it'll be automatically saved. Now what I want to do is I want to save this as a ringtone. I keep it pressed, leave it. Now I have an option saying share. I hit share. Now I have three options: song, ringtone, project. I hit ringtone. Now it'll say, okay, my song. Yeah, I'm fine. I'll keep it as my song. Export. And that's it. It's done. Now let's go into the ringtones and see if it's there. I go into settings. I go into sound. Open up any one of them. And now I'll have tone 2. So there it is, tone 2. Let's open it up. Oh no, that's not the one. Oh, sorry, my song. So that's it. So it's that easy. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe, hit the like button and do comment, and I'll see you again with another video. Bye bye.